Because of my background in property management, being a service manager, I know that every riser on this property has a water source within the riser. This is what it looks like. Getting ready to roll up in here, brother. Ready to roll up in here. Let me in. Rolling on up through here. Let's get it in.
Hope another one now.
Yep, yes indeed. Got through the gate. Going up here to building 9. Bang out this breezeway real quick. We on location, y'all. Getting ready to knock out a breezeway over here in Atlanta. Was meant for you, won't pass you, man. We here to do good, make the neighbors jealous, and look good doing it. They say if you look good, you play good, and they pay good. See y'all in a minute. Gone. All right, y'all, we're at an apartment community here in Atlanta, man, and not one building has water coming out of the building. They have it all off because it busts during the wintertime, so they shut everything down. But because of my background in property management, being a service manager, I know that every riser on this property has a water source within the riser. This is what it looks like. All right, this is a riser room, all right? This is where the fire department comes and hook up when there's an issue at the building, instead of having to go to a fire hydrant that may be a quarter of a mile away or whatever. But in this closet, there's a water source. And I couldn't find it earlier, but if you look right here, there's a water source right there. It has fresh water in every building, right here. Now, when this water starts to flow, it sends a signal to the fire department to say, hey, there's a fire, because because water is flowing, so it thinks the sprinklers is going on. So you got to put the building on test when you come to these buildings. Otherwise, the alarms are going to start going on. People are going to start coming out of the buildings, and the fire department going to show up. So it's up to you to tell the manager or the property manager that we need to put the building that you're working on test, so that when we're flowing water, we don't have that problem. All right? So how do you put the building on test? He calls the people who monitor the building for, fire and life safety stuff. Yeah. He say, hey, we're gonna put building 9 on test for 4 hours. We'll call you back, when we're done, right? So it typically takes about 15, 20 minutes for them to actually put it on test, reset the system, and let everybody know it's on test. All right? So it's been 15 minutes, for sure. We got water flow. Yep. Otherwise, I'll have to keep going back to the fire hydrant and hooking up, because I only brought the flatbed today. I ain't bring no trailer. You dig? Let's do it. All right.
I like nature.
Yeah, but, I knew why you were moving fast, bro.
I respect nature.
You was trying to get away from them spiders, wasn't you, bro?
I ain't with it.
All right. Let's go. We got something to do. All right, we get ready to do this sidewalk right here. All right, this sidewalk. This breezeway, and then there's 2 more levels. These stairs, another level, and then there's a level up top. And then we want to come on out. We're going to do this sidewalk right here, this wall. Come on around this curve. And then we're going to stop right there at that line, right here at the bottom of these steps. All right, that's it. This is their model, and they want it to look good as far as when they show the property. Y'all stay tuned.